profit. I'm not saying you should do it. I'm just what's funny. Should I say you shouldn't try it? You're making it sound. That's my own point. I'm not saying you shouldn't try it. I can't move more than what I have here, okay? Yeah. So when we're talking about statement of comprehensive income and appropriation account, here we're talking about how profit is being shared among partners. That is the point. But what makes a partnership account different from a sole trader is that for a sole trader, he doesn't need an appropriation account because all the profit belongs to that sole trader. Get the point clear. A sole trader does not need an appropriation account. Why? Because all the profit belongs to the sole trader. But when it comes to partnership account, there is an appropriation account because profit will be shared based on how the partnership agreement. So here I go. At the end of the year, the business will prepare the statement of profit or loss and comprehensive income. The difference is the appropriation account, which states how profit is being shared amongst partners. So why do we share profits? Get to know. So we have, these are the items we have in the appropriation account. Number one. So here we're going to talk about the interest, the partnership salary, the interest on capital, and share of profit. All these things are involved when we are preparing our statement of profit or loss and the current account for the partners. For interest on joint, it's a positive, it's plus. Why is it a plus? Because it's adding up to the finance of the partners. Get the point? It's a plus because it's adding up to the finance or to the investment of the business. What is joint? That means the partners are taking money from the business, and now the partner has to pay interest for withdrawing in the business. So what is the purpose of interest on drawings in here? The purpose is that because you have to pay interest on taking money from the business, you will be discouraged to do that. So partners are discouraged. The purpose of charging interest on drawing is to discourage partners from withdrawing too much from the business. Please put your mind here. The purpose of charging interest on drawing is to discourage partners from taking too much money from the business. What effect does it have in the appropriation account? Increase the interest partners pay to the firm. So that means partners will have to pay more interest to the firm. Then what happens to the current account? It increases the current account because partners are paying more because of the interest to the business. Do you get it? Please put it in your mind. Interest on drawings will have effect in the appropriation account, will have effect in the current account. In the appropriation account, it will increase because partners are paying more into the business. And in the current account, more money is added to the business, so it increases. The second one, partnership salary or salary. It is a negative. Why? Because you're taking money from the business to pay the partners. What is the purpose of paying salaries to the worker? To encourage them for physically putting effort into the business. So here I want to reward partners' physical effort, to reward partners' physical effort towards the business. That is the purpose of paying salary to workers or to partners. What impact does it have in the appropriation account? Decreases as payments to partners. The appropriation account will decrease because you are paying loans to the partners. At the same time, the current account. What happens to the current account? It increases for each partner. The current account increases for each partner because the partner is receiving profit from the business. Do you get the point here?
Yes.
It increases for partners because in the current account for partners, it adds up to its current account. The third one, interest on capital. Interest on capital means as a partner, you are putting more money into the business. And when you are being paid interest, you are taking away from the partnership money. Here, it's adding because you are paying because you are taking money from the business. Here, it's adding more to the finance of the business. Here, the partner is putting money into the business. As a result, the business has to pay interest to the partner. Do you get it? So it's taking money from the business. That's why it's negative. I'm talking here, please. That's why it's negative. So what is the purpose? The purpose is to reward partners for taking the risk to put so much money into the business. What happens to the appropriation account? It decreases because money is paid to partners as a reward. The current account, it increases for individual partners because that partner that has put money into the business will would have additional money into his own account, its current account. Then the last one, share of profit. Share of profit will take money from the business, yes or no? So what is the purpose of share of profit? To share the remaining profits made by the business, by the partners. So they distribute the profit according to the partnership deed or the partnership agreement. What happens to the appropriation account? It decreases because partners will be given profit. And what happens to the current account? It increases for each partner's account. Because every time that a partner makes additional money, it increases in its current account. Do we get it? Anytime a partner makes additional money, it increases its current account. Anytime a partner pays from the money, it reduces its current account. Any question about appropriation accounts and current accounts? These are the impacts of these items on current account and appropriation account. Drawings